Viewers, before we wrap it up on this edition of Buy Now, Sell Now, and before we also say goodbye to 2024, let's take a look at the asset classes that did better when it comes to the yearly performance in the year that went by, and also talk about gold, silver, lots of metals that have done pretty well over this course of the year that went by. So here's my colleague Ashesha, who's joining up with a roundup of how all of it unfolded when it comes to commodities.
Well, absolutely. What a year it has been for precious metals in 2024. Gold has risen a whopping 28% in calendar year 2024, which is the highest that we have seen since 2010. And remember, in 2010, gold had given returns of about 30%. So after that, this is the first time that it has given returns of as much as 28%. Silver, meanwhile, has also risen nearly 26%, highest since 2020. And in 2020, silver had given returns of nearly 48%. Let's also understand the trend and the kind of returns they've given on an annualized basis over the last few years. So this year we've seen returns of 28%, but in 23 gold had given returns of about 13%, flat in 2022, negative returns of 4% in 2021, and about 18 to 25% returns in 2019 and 2020, which was COVID year. There are several factors which has led to the move in gold prices in calendar year 2024. Central banks globally continue to purchase gold, and that has been one of the biggest triggers. Apart from that, geopolitical tensions, remember, gold is considered as a safe haven, and hence macro uncertainties and geopolitical tensions leads to increased buying for gold. China, remember, had stopped buying gold. Chinese central bank had stopped buying gold in May this year, but they resumed purchasing gold in the month of November yet again, and that has also led to the surge in gold prices in 2024. But despite the run-up that we have seen this year, several brokerage houses continue to remain very bullish for 2025 as well. UBS has given a target of $2,900 per ounce by December 2025. Goldman Sachs, meanwhile, has also given a target of $3,000 per ounce. So yes, we will not see the kind of returns that we have seen this year as far as gold is concerned, but outlook on gold continues to remain very positive when it comes to buying by central bank as well as safe haven buying that we could perhaps see in the next year as well. Moving on to cryptocurrency then, it's not just gold. Cryptocurrencies have also seen a solid return in this calendar year. Bitcoin has risen a whopping 119% this year so far. Ethereum is up 43%, but most of the gains came in after Trump was elected for several cryptocurrencies. So Ethereum, for instance, has risen 41% since 5th of November, and that's when Trump was elected. And Donald Trump's support for cryptocurrency has led to the surge in several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Remember, we have seen inflows come in for several ETFs, and that has also led to the surge in Bitcoin market. So, for instance, Trump's support for digital asset is one of the reasons, and higher inflows in Bitcoin ETFs. So, these are the main two reasons why cryptocurrencies have seen a solid run up in 2024. But as I mentioned, outlook for 2025 also continues to remain very positive, and it has indeed been a stellar year both for cryptocurrencies as well as for precious metals.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.